Welcome. In front of me I have WIKO View 3, and today I will show you how we can activate Hey Google option in this smartphone. So you have to go for the Google application, then click on More, move to the settings, find voice, go for the voice match, and as you can see here we got the Hey Google option. So to activate we have to tap on the switcher, click to next, tap right here, agree. In my case it's ready, but you will have circle like that, and you have to say OK Google for the 2 times and Hey Google also for the 2 times. OK Google, Hey Google, Hey Google, and as you can see it's finished. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.